Okay. Making all the SYBSC IT students. This video I'm making for the practicals of Python. All right. So without wasting time, let's start with the first question. It says that write a program that asks the user for their name and the age they will turn this year. Then calculate and print the year they were born, addressing them by name. मतलब हमें क्या एंटर करना है? We have to enter name and age of the user, and then we have to calculate a born year, right? So let's enter first name. Now we know that to enter something we have to use input function, right? Now name is a string, so no need to convert it into integer. I'll simply say enter your name. Okay. What is the second thing to enter? Age. Age equal to, now age should be in integer, so I have to typecast into integer. Then I'll use input function. Okay. And I'll say here enter your age. Simple. Now I'll take one more variable, current underscore year. You can also take this current year from user, but let me take it directly, no problem. It is directly, I'll give it as 2026. Okay. Now let's calculate a born year. Born underscore year equal to the age. The current year minus age. Formula will be current year minus age. Now let's just print string hello. Mm, Concatenate that with, let's say, name. Let me give one space here and comma. Let me give this exclamation mark. Okay. Print hello and the name. Whatever name user will enter will get printed over there. Print your born year is, let's say, born underscore year, right? So enter your name. Let's say age is 25. So if the age is 25, the born year is 2001, 2001. Oh, that was the 1A practical. Now let's go to the second question. Write a program to accept a number from user, and depending on whether the number is even or odd, print out the appropriate message to the user. तो एक ही नंबर एंटर करना है यहाँ पे, और वो इवन है या ऑड है ये चेक करना है. ठीक है. सो आई विल से, लेट्स से num is equals to int of, I'll use input function here, input, enter the number. Once I get the number, I'll use if condition and check if that number mod 2, compare that with 0. इसको 0 से compare करेंगे number mod 2 को. So if I perform mod operation with 2, remainder can either be 1 or 0. If that remainder is 0, number will be even. So let's print that number and say is even, right? Else print that number is odd. Okay, let's execute. Okay, if I enter 5, number 5 is odd. Let's again one more time. If I enter 4, number is even. 4 is even. Great. Now, program to calculate grade. Let me just extend this question. Program to calculate grade as per the marks entered by user. Okay. So user will enter a marks, and from that marks, in the sense, you can consider that as a percentage. उस परसेंटेज के ऊपर से क्या कैलकुलेट करना है कि वो ग्रेड ए प्लस है, ए है, राइट? सो लेट्स डू दिस. लेट्स एंटर अ मार्क्स फर्स्ट. मार्क्स इज इक्वल्स टू, फ्लोट ले लेते हैं बिकॉज परसेंटेज कैन बी इन फ्लोट. इनपुट, enter the marks. Okay. Now here I'll use elif condition. Okay, because I have to check multiple conditions. Like if I show you the question, hmm, I think. Okay, anyways, I'll tell you orally. If the marks is 90% and above, it will be A plus. 80% and above, it will be A grade. 70 and above, it will be B grade. 60 and above, it will be C grade. Right? 50 and above, it will be D grade. And below that, it will be F grade. Okay. So let's check. If marks greater than equal to greater than equal to 90. Okay. Then I'll say grade is equal. So I'll take one variable. Grade is equals to A plus. Okay. If that marks is greater than equal to 80, let's say grade is equals to A. If that marks greater than equal to 70, let's say grade is B. If let's say marks greater than equal to 60, grade is C. If marks greater than equal to 50, grade is equals to D. Else, last statement will be else. So grade is equals to, say, F. Okay. Can you see this program clearly? Okay. Then come out of the statement, that control, and say print. Grade is equals to comma. All right. There is an error. Okay. I have to put colon everywhere after every if condition. Also after else condition. So asking for marks, let's say 54. It should be D grade, correct? Let me execute it again. Let's say 100. A plus, right? Here also you can say that enter marks between 0 to 100. Okay, so that's it. This is your first program, 1A. This is 1B, and this is 1C. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you understood.